Hi guys! Good day everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Guys, for today's video, I'm just so excited to finally make another video for all of you guys. It's been a long time. I know, it's been a long time. You know what guys? Naramdaman ko na it's kinda strange already na ang tagal mong gumawa ng video tapos parang it's quite awkward now to talk in front of the camera. Ewan ko, siguro nawala siguro sa kondisyon and siguro hindi nasanay. However, I am still here and I'm gonna make a new video for all of you guys. Wait lang, let me just set up my light there. So, let me go ahead and make it stronger. Oh, sorry. There you go. Better? There. Okay, so guys, for today's video, what I'm going to share with you is a skincare routine, guys. I'm gonna show you a step-by-step skincare routine. However, this one is new. This is not actually the products that I'm using often, but I got this product from a friend. So, she gave it to me from Dubai. Yay! So, guys, so for me, this product is somehow, we could call it as on-the-go skincare routine because this product will not cost you a lot of space to put inside your luggage or in your bag. So, you can bring it anywhere and then you can do it and you can apply it anywhere. So, super maliit lang yung space na makukuha nito sa inyo. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, yes, I'm back with that light. Yes. Sana hindi siya mawala, no? I charge it, I don't know. Para nag-fade out yung light, however. Okay guys, so first of all guys, I want to say thank you to my best friend, Jam Girl. Thank you so much for sending me this product. Kasi without this one, I will not be able to share it with all of our friends out there watching our video. So thank you so much, baby girl. Thank you so much. Okay, so let's now move on to the product. Okay, so as I said, this is an on-the-go skincare routine that you could really use. So, this is the product. Ta-na-na-na-na. However, guys, I really don't know how to pronounce the brand. It's this one. That's the name of the product. Please correct me if I'm wrong. It's Ilahui or Ilahu. I'm not sure. So please comment it on the section box or comment section kung ano yung pronunciation niya. But it is moisture. Yeah, moisture. Ano yun? Ito pala. It is a watery and tender mask. I mean, it has watery and tender mask. And it also comes with step 1, which is the moisturizing and hydrating essence. And then we also have here the step 2, it's watery and tender mask. And then last one, the step 3 is clear brightening facial cream. So it is it is a step 3 skincare routine. So from global procurement, supervised by Ilahui Company. Yeah. So according to my friend, it will cost you like 60 pesos converted na already. So yeah, same amount as what we have here in the Philippines. Yung mga facial mask, 60 pesos to 49 to 60 pesos din siya. Pero this one, what's so good about this product is it comes in 3 different formulas already. So, you have your moisturizer, you have your mask, and then your brightening essence. So, it's all in one. So, it's really good. So, first thing, guys, that we have to do before going on to your skincare routine is, of course, you need to tone your face after cleansing it. So, of course, tapos na ako maglinis ng mukha. And let me go ahead and show you the toning part. And today, what I'm gonna use and what I'm always using is my KOREAN toner. Okay, so this is, I got it from my friend Miss Lu, so she gave this one to me. Thank you so much. You could see this one in my bigay haul. So, I have that video na lahat ng products yung binigay ni Miss Lou. Okay? Guys, let me just tell you, toning is really important. Why? Because even though you cleanse your face using facial foam or cleanser and then wipe it or rinse it with water, you should still tone your face because toner will get rid of the excess makeup, yung mga naiwan siya na dumi, na makeup. So, siya ang magtatanggal nun. So, you should really cleanse yourself. Your face. You should really cleanse your face often. Or, as in every day, guys. Kasi, tignan nyo. Saan nakita? Yan. Diba? Kahit nilinis ko na yung face ko with the water, with the cleanser, with the foam cleanser, still. Ay, by the way, lagay ko na pala to. I forgot. See, I'm so excited kasi. That's why I forgot to put it. And guys, don't forget, and make sure that if you're doing your skincare, you should always include your neck. Kasi ang neck natin is part of our face. Ayaw nyo naman na looking niya ang face and then kulubot ang ating neck. So, you should also include your neck in doing your skincare routine as well as your makeup. So, part yan ng face natin. Huwag nyo siyang kalimutan, guys. Kung kinalimutan ka niya, ang neck mo, huwag mong kalimutan. Okay. So, yan. I'm done with the toner. So, magdadabing motion lang tayo. Tap-tap lang tayo dyan para ma-absorb niya yung ating toner. So, yeah. Okay, so I will now start with the first formula. I'm so excited. Ayan, so sisimulan natin to. Step number 1, moisturizing and hydrating essence. Guys, it has the instruction, however, it's written in another language. I don't know if it's in Korean, Chinese, whatever. Pero there are instructions at the back. Or, no, it's not instructions. Components. Tapos may mga precautions din siya. So, sabi dito, as the skin nature varies from... Hindi ko mabasa. Basta ang sinasabi dito, guys, since magkakaiba tayo ng skin type, so if ever it will fit to my skin type, I'm not saying na okay din siya sa inyo or sa iba pang skin type. So, common sense lang daw, nakalagay dito, common sense. So, pwede sa akin, hindi pwede sa'yo. So, it's your own risk to try it or not. Ito, risk ko to today since I'm gonna try it first time. Okay? Feeling ko talaga yung ilaw ko, ang bilis niyang malobat. Ang bilis mag-fade out ng light. Number 3 na yan. So, wala akong gunting. Ginamit ko lang yung kamay ko. Oh! Super watery talaga niya, guys. So, I'm gonna do this. Wala siyang... ang lagkit niya. Parang oil ba siya? Hindi ako gumamit ng I didn't use a cotton kasi I just wanna put all the formula on my face. Kasi if I'm gonna use cotton, parang since moisturizer naman siya, essence siya, so it's not a toner. So, hindi ko siya kailangan i-rub sa face ko to remove the dead skins or dun sa mga dirt. Essence siya, so let me just do this. Tapping motion lang, guys. And of course, I think magagamit mo pa to ng 2 beses. So, miracle touch. Depende siguro yun sa ano tawag dito? Depende sa face mo kung too big or ano. Feeling ko sakto na tong nakuha ko. Wala siyang amoy. O, may natira pa. Ang dami pa, guys. Kalahati pa. So, I think I can still use it tomorrow. Pero, my risk lang kasi nabuksan na siya. Kasi sobrang watery talaga niya. Kita nyo ba? Super basang-basa yung mukha ko. Sayang naman to. Okay, so, let me just wait until mag-dries out yung ating face. So, continue lang natin yung ganyan-ganyan. Yan, ganyan-ganyan lang tayo. Okay, guys, I think I'll be back para mag-dries out lang to ng konti, and then I'll also get my scissors to cut it out. Okay? I'll be back! Hi guys, I'm back. So, yan guys, medyo tuyo na siya, and it took me 15 minutes already. Pero since it's really watery, so hindi pa siya super dry, pero makikita niyo naman, medyo dry na siya dito. So, I'll just remove it na. Ooh, ang sarap. Okay, so ayan, medyo malagkit pa siya guys. Meron pa siyang formula. However, na-reach ko na kasi yung 15 to 20 minutes, and medyo kasi tuyo na yung ibang part. So, nararamdaman ko na siya sa face ko. So, ayan, yung feeling niya guys, sobrang lamig. Ang lamig sa mukha. Super. If you're going to do like after removing the mask and then touch your face, super mararamdaman niyo yung init ng kamay niyo, and then your face, it's kinda, you know, cold, and it's really refreshing. Yeah, super ganda niya. So, basically, what you will feel after removing the mask, it's still kinda, you know, sticky. Kasi syempre yung formula ng mask nandoon. And it's cold. Just like what I told you. Wait lang. My father is calling me already because we're going to eat now. However, let me just finish this video. Okay, and it's really cold and refreshing. Okay? And guys, without further ado, let's go move on to step 3. And this is now the Clear Brightening Facial Cream. So, we will be now moving to a facial cream. So, let me just read what we have here. Moisturizing the skin after use it. What's that? Moisturizing the skin. So, yeah, it simply moisturize. It will simply moisturize your skin. Okay, going back, guys. So, let me just show you. This is how it looks like. So, sabi nga dito, it's a moisturizing cream. So, definitely, it would look like a cream. So, let me just do the miracle touch. So, the smell is, it has a smell, but it's not that strong though. So guys, sorry, I'm used to do this one, yung dabbing motion lang. Tinatap-tap ko lang yung formula sa aking face just to make sure that everything will really go on my face. Sayang kasi. So with my neck, so, let me just, and I can also do the circular motion. You can also do that one, since this is now the last process, guys. Actually, what I'm used to do, guys, when I am applying the last formula for my skincare, ganito yung ginagawa ko. I'm massaging my face going upward, just to lift it. So, yun lang. You can also do this, or you can also do the circular motion if you want. And then just wait till the product gets dry. There's something wrong with my ring light. I don't know. I charged it just a while ago, and super nag-fade out na siya. And I think you can barely see me, right? Okay, and guys, so there you go. We're done with the step 3. So let's just recall one more time. So first step is they have the what's the name again? The formula from Ilahui or Ilahu from Dubai, which was given by my best friend Jam, from my best friend Jam. Thank you so much again, baby girl. Love ya. So first step natin is what we have here is the moisturizing and hydrating essence, and then the other one is the mask, and then the third one, which is the third step, is clear brightening facial cream. So basically my thoughts are, first, my first thought is the products, the smell, it's not that strong, meaning to say, pag kasi walang masyadong amoy, there are, you know, the formula that was used, it's not really strong, so the less the less na yung product is mabango. So, meaning to say, walang masyadong matapang na formula na ginamit. So, which is really good with this product. And the next one is, the essence is really, you know, nourishing and moisturizing. So, feeling ko talaga na-hydrate yung face ko. And especially the facial mask. So, it's really watery though, pero super ganda niya kasi, ang cold ng face ko and really moistured after removing the facial mask. And then the third step, which is the moisturizing cream. Medyo malagkit na sila kasi super, from the first step unto the third step, super yung product. It's really sticky. However, it's really good. I don't mind kasi I'll be staying at home and it's a skincare. So you could really, I mean, you're applying it when you're not going to go anywhere or do anything, right? So, after this, you're going to go to your bed and then sleep and rest, okay? So, ayun. So, everything is really good. I love the product. I hope we could buy it here in the Philippines as well. Or, Jam Girl, alam mo na. So, I'll be looking for this one here in the Philippines. Sana meron. And I really do recommend this one, guys, for all of you. Pero, still, like what we have at the back of the product, common sense, guys. Meaning, if it fits me, it doesn't mean na ganun din sa'yo. So, it's your own risk kung gusto mo siya i-try. So, one tip, you could apply a little amount of the product at the back of your ear and then wait for 1 minute or 2 para malaman nyo kung may bad effect siya sa inyo or kung may allergy kayo. Okay, so, yun lang guys. Thank you so much for watching and I do hope guys that you will wait for my next video. Marami pa akong video na upcoming. It's just I don't have time yet to do it. But thank you so much guys for watching. Bye for now!